very good morning to one and all. The pandemic has not deterred the energy level of the flowers of the Saraswati Public School. We have changed the challenges into opportunities. And here we are with our first ever virtual exhibition of Prime Living. So welcome to the panoramic view of entire demo of creation. Why we are very energetic and gifted tiny tots, our virtual world of creative minds. As we have titled that exhibition will amaze us and all. On Real Life says, what wonders little ones can really create, with the lots of guidance and motivation. I, Savita, teacher of Saraswati Public School, welcome you all to the virtual exhibition. To host the exhibition of our school gives me such a pleasure. I am grateful to everybody for giving me this opportunity to address all of you. Through the efforts made by all of our parents, teachers and students, this event was made possible. We thank the parents and children who worked so hard on that project. I hope you will enjoy the video. Let's have to look at the projects. Here, this is the first project that is of rainy season. The project is well displayed. Very well done, students. This is a rainy day activity. And next, rainbow made by Bindis. Very beautiful rainbow. This is a Bindli activity. Next, have a look on the wonderful mathematics project. So this is of number names and shapes. That's also nice. Come and have a spectacle of our next project of art and craft. One of my admirable projects. Ahead we see family tree, ice cream activity and very beautiful art and craft activities. And this is a story, The Lion and the Mouse. Very well done, students. Thank you, students. Thank you, parents. And this is a traffic light activity. Rules of traffic lights. Red light says stop, yellow light says wait, and green light says go. Very beautiful projects. And this is a Citibank and ATM. And here, one more story, Thirsty Crow. And here is the activity for about seasons. There are 4 seasons: winter season, that is summer season, and that is autumn season, that is rainy season. And we see family tree, ice cream activity, yummy, yummy ice cream. You all like it. Yes. And there is a yellow day activity. These are the yellow flowers. And here, there is an English activity. That project is also outstanding. These are vowel words. Yes, you know vowel words, vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. Let's go to the math activity.
Now we are showing here place value chart. Okay, these are the periods: ones, thousand, lakhs periods and crore period. Ones is divided into 3 parts: ones, tens and hundred, and thousand is divided into 2 parts: thousand and 10,000s. Lakh is also divided into 2 parts: lakhs and 10 lakhs, and crore is also divided into 2 parts: crores and 10 crore. These are the short forms of periods: ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10 crore. These are the places. Okay. Now this is the place value chart. Here 7 is a ones place, 5 is on tens place and 3 is on hundred place, and we read it 357. Okay, this is the place value chart. And now this is a fraction model. Fraction model, look here. There is a fraction is divided into half parts. Okay, when this is divided into two parts, we call 1 and 2, 1 upon 2. When it is divided into 4 parts, we call it 1 upon 4. Okay, this is a whole modular fraction. This is a whole. This is a fraction of 2 upon 5 fraction, because here is blue color in 2 parts. Okay, so we write 2 on the top and total parts is 5, so we write 5 in the lower part. This is a 4 upon 10, 6 upon 15, because here is a 15 total parts. We count here, these are 15, and there is a blue color in the 6 parts, so we write 6 upon 15 as a fraction. This is the 8 upon 20. Now this is a type of fraction, proper fraction. When a numerator is smaller than the denominator, numerator is smaller than the denominator, then we write 3 on part and 4 is whole. Equivalent fraction, fraction that have the same value. Okay, find equivalent fractions by multiplication. We multiply 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 2. This is a 2 upon 4. Okay, improper fraction, and in this the numerator is bigger than the denominator. How many parts are here? 9 is total parts. Okay, what the whole is cut into? This is a 9 or 9 upon 4. This is the fractions. Okay, this is whole, we call it whole. This is 1 upon 2, because it is divided into 2 parts, then we write 1 upon 2. Here this is divided into 3 parts, so we write 1 upon 3. This is divided into 4 parts, so we write here 1 upon 4. Thank you, Kashish. These are the tops and fractions. Here are the orange color in 7 fractions, so we write here 7 on the top and denominator as a 8, because it is total 8 parts. We write here 3 upon 10, because 3 is numerator, because here is a green color in the 3 parts and 10 is the total circles here, so we write 10 as a denominator. Here are some tables written by students. Thank you, Arnav. Types of fraction. What is the meaning of fraction? A fraction is a number that expresses equal parts of a whole. These are types of unit fraction. When a fraction whose numerator is 1, here's a numerator is 1, so we call it unit fraction. Improper fraction, a fraction whose numerator greater than the denominator. Okay, here the 16 as the numerator and denominator is 7, so we write it improper fraction. Mixed number, a new number that consists of a whole number and a fraction, so we write it 3 or 5 upon 8 as a fraction. This is a division chart. Birth fraction is also the fraction. Here we divide 48 by 2. Firstly, we divide 4 by 2, so we write 2 upon 2 as a quotient here. 2 2s are 4. Now we cut 4 and 4, we get 0 here. Next number is 8. 2 4s are 8. Okay, now we cut 8 upon 8, here is a 0. This is the division strategies. concept of division. Here are 12 total circles, okay, and there's of orange circles are 4. So we divide 12 by 4 and we get 3 as a quotient and remainder as a 0. These are the models of fraction. This is a beautiful watch. We call it a shorthand. It shows time here and minute hand is on the 9. So we call it 9:7:45. Okay. This is a division model. When we divide 18 by 2, we get the result as a quotient 9 here. When we divide 22 by 2, we get the result 11 as a quotient here. And when we divide 8 by 2, we get the result as a 4.